The power of AI. Understanding before implementing. This is Pete's board. They've heard about all the great things that AI can do. They believe AI is the key to developing their business. So they put Pete in charge of their AI initiatives. This is Pete. Pete has a ton of great ideas for implementing AI. But Pete, seriously, are you ready? Pete thinks to himself, well, what do you mean by ready? Well, Pete, it's important to match your expectations for AI with your data's ability to deliver them, because your possibilities are defined by your company's data readiness, hence dictating the level of ambition that you can deliver upon with your current data foundation. Let me show you what I mean by data readiness. This barometer represents your AI ambitions compared to your data foundation. Business as usual means that you're not looking to make big changes, but rather optimize day-to-day operations. On the other hand, we have industry leader, which means you want to be at the forefront of utilizing AI. This is what Pete's top management expects from AI. And this is what Pete's data is ready for. This leaves a gap, and that needs to be addressed. If you attempt to deliver beyond your capabilities, you're bound to fail. You will either deliver wrong results or disappoint management with unreliable AI outcomes. Using a data readiness assessment, Pete can evaluate his company's readiness in the following 6 categories. Those are the foundations for data readiness, helping Pete identify any gaps he needs to address. Having completed a data readiness assessment, Pete can conclude that there are one of 3 things that needs to happen. The board can lower their ambition level, you can spend time and resources on increasing your data readiness, or 3, you can meet each other somewhere in the middle. Well informed, Pete can now go back to management and explain these gaps, with the intention to lower ambition level, or increase the data readiness. Do you want to assess your data readiness? Do like Pete, and sign up for best practice today.